Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create these unique decorative candle holders for your home interior. First I take a standard plastic pipe, the kind of using on the plumbing. This will serve as a primary mold for casting. I line the inside of the pipe with a plastic bag to prevent the casting material from sticking to the walls. And next I prepare the mixture. I use water and tile adhesive, mixing them in a ratio of approximately 1 to 2. After that, I place piece of polystyrene foam inside the mold. This helps reduce the weight of the finished piece and saves on materials. Then I begin filling the mold with the prepared mixture. I repeat the same process with the second pipe. One with a smaller diameter to create small candle holder. And then I leave both pieces to set for at least half a day. The materials does not harden immediately. So there's still time to give the piece of desired shape and refine the texture. At this stage I wasn't entirely satisfied with the result. Some areas looked too rough, while on the spot the mixture hadn't completely filled the mold. So I sanded the top surface and smoothed out the engine, adding a little more mixture to achieve the better shape. And then I wrapped everything in plastic film again and left it to set for another 24 hours. And here is the result. You can already see how the natural wood-like texture is beginning to take a shape. And now it's time to move on to painting. I chose the two colors for my work. I used dark green and light brown. Also I took one more color, yellow. I use it to add color inside the texture like tree bark on the candle holders. I put the paint step by step. I painted every crack and every paint on the texture. I also painted the small candle. Guys, remember, painting is creative processes. You can use any color what you like. Maybe my video is just only example for you. Maybe your results would look even better. I made those candles holders like small stamps. The texture looks like tree bark. In the interior it look warm on the night. I hope my video was interesting and helpful for you. Don't forget to take a like in this video, leave a comment and subscribe to these channels. In the next video I will show you more interesting ideas.